Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to Financial Knowledge Quest, where we break down complex financial concepts into easy-to-understand videos. Today, we're diving into the world of amortization. So, what exactly is amortization? Simply put, amortization is the process of paying off a loan through regular, fixed payments over a set period of time. Each payment you make is split into two parts. One part goes towards the interest, and the other part goes towards paying off the principal, the actual amount you borrowed. Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you take out a $10,000 loan with an interest rate of 5% over 5 years. Instead of paying it all back at once, you make monthly payments. Over time, the amount of interest you owe decreases, and more of your payment goes towards the principal. This is where the amortization schedule comes in handy. It's a table that shows each payment you'll make, breaking down how much goes to interest and how much goes to the principal early on. You'll notice that a larger portion of your payment goes towards interest, but as the loan progresses, more of your payment reduces the principal. Here's why understanding amortization is important. It helps you see how your loan balance decreases over time and allows you to plan your finances better. Plus, it can help you compare different loan options and choose the one that's best for you. As you can see in this graph, the interest payments start high and gradually decrease, while the principal payments increase over time. By the end of the loan term, you've paid off the entire principal plus the interest. Whether you're dealing with a mortgage, a car loan, or a personal loan, understanding amortization can save you money and reduce stress. So, next time you take out a loan, remember to ask for the amortization schedule. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more finance tips and explanations. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.